What's up guys, this is iDeviceLab009 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install iOS 6 on your iPod Touch 3rd generation. Yes, you heard me correctly, iOS 6 on the iPod Touch 3. So shout out to 9 Satan for porting iOS 6 for the iPad 1 and iPod Touch 3, and also shout out to Luke ZGT for making legacy iOS kit and porting it as well into it. So let me show you how to get everything set up. So for legacy iOS kit you will click on code and download zip. I already have it downloaded, so I'm going to stop, but you will have a folder on your desktop which is this one. You want to open a terminal window, type cd and drag and drop the folder in terminal and click enter. And now that we are inside the folder we can run /restore.sh, and now I'm going to plug in the iPod Touch into the computer. There we go, and as you can see I am on 5.1.1 and it's a 64 GB model. So let's click enter. And there we go, we can go to restore downgrade, and there we go, we have 6.0, 6.1.3 and 6.1.6. I am going to go for this video to 6.0. I will do 4.1 eventually, but for now 6.0 it is, and click enter. And now we are going to download the target IPSW and download the base IPSW. Now I can select the target IPSW and select the base IPSW now, and we can start the restore. Here it will ask you if you want your device to be jailbroken. I will say yes. And now we can do pound DFU. We need to place our device in recovery mode. And now we need to enter DFU mode, so follow the instructions shown by Legacy iOS Kit. Click yes. There we go. There we go. And now I'm going to zoom in on this iPod Touch. There we go, and now let's set it up. English, Romania. Let me connect to Wi-Fi. Enable location services. Set up as new iPod Touch. I'm going to skip this step. Skip. Agree. Don't send. And welcome to iPod Touch. There we go. 6.0. General up Y. General about 6.0 on a 64 GB, and we'll also have Cydia. There we go. I will do another video exploring iOS 6 on the iPod Touch, but it already feels a bit slow. So thank you so much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.